Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to make a reel with photos on Facebook. So let's get started. First of all, open the Facebook application. Then tap on the plus icon at the top of the page. After that, tap on reel. Now if you want to add multiple pictures to your reel, tap on select multiple. Now choose the photos from your gallery that you want to add to the reel. Here I will choose 6 pictures. After choosing the photos, tap on next. Now tap on edit reel. Here you can arrange the photos in any order you like. You can also adjust the timing of each photo by dragging it. You can add animation between every photo to make your reel look better. If you want to add this transition animation, you will see a small line between the photos. Simply tap on that line. And after that, you can choose any animation you like. After choosing the animation, tap on done. And using the same process, you can add animation between all the photos. Now you can also add text to your reel. Simply tap on the add text option and type whatever you want. And you can also change the text design, font style and color to make your reel look more attractive. After choosing the text color and font, tap on done. Now tap on edit reel. Now you can also add audio to your reel to make it more engaging. Just tap on the audio or music option and select any audio you like. After adding the audio, tap on done. After adding the audio, you can adjust the timing of the photos so that they match with the audio and looking more attractive. Now you can also add effects to give your reel a creative look. Here tap on the effects option and choose any effect you like. After completing the editing, tap on next. Now add a caption to your reel to describe your photos. You can also add a thumbnail to choose how your reel will appear. If you want to add a thumbnail, you will see a small gallery icon on the reel preview. Just tap on that icon. Now you can select a thumbnail image for your reel. You can either choose a frame from your reel or select an image from your gallery. After selecting, then tap on save. After that, tap on share now to post your reel on Facebook. And that's it. Your reel is now shared and ready to watch. So let's watch the reel. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.